Hey folks, I thought I'd do a little video here. So we're really testing out the system now. This is a 4,000 watt inverter, and it's spitting out 3,700 watts. We got a toaster oven running, we have an Instapot running, and we have the our heat pump water heater running. That's heating water in this tank right here, and both our fridges, all of our lights in our kitchen, master bedroom, main living area. So pretty much almost everything we're using right now to cook dinner and everything, we are powering with our system here. So we're pulling about 160 amps from these batteries into the inverter, which is this, I think the rating on this, the amp rating that it pulls in is supposed to be 166 amps. So we're right there at the limit, and this is the first time ever I've ever felt these wires getting just a tad warm. So but yeah, they're still about room temp, maybe 70. It's like 65 down here. These wires down here from each battery bank are about 80, maybe 85, something like that. So they're a little warm, but they're not too bad. So I think I got some good choices on wire size here. These 6-gauge wires come out, each one of these are not warm at all, but these 4-gauge ones are just a tad. So anyway, I thought I'd show you that. Kind of fun to see this system about its limit and running pretty well. These fans in this thing are about maxed out, but it's doing pretty good. But that's all I had to share, and hope you enjoyed that. Seeing a system at its limit, just about. Oh, the sump pump turned on just for a second. I just saw, I don't know if you saw it, but it was at 4,500 watts. So I've got that going on too. Anyway, I show you our system at its limits, and we'll talk to you later. Bye for now.